わからない皆さんのために続いての要素をご覧ください。こんな探してたかのか。山崎正義さんの。はい。正解でございます。
相関図が表していた曲は。
Welcome, my friend. Welcome, my friend. Come. Okay. I was so shocked because that profile picture looks like me. I was wondering, how can I be two? Oh, that's one of my friends. Fit, how are you? I was shocked, like this your profile picture just looks like mine. I was like, when did I become two? You know, when I see someone just use a profile picture that looks like mine, I always confused, like, have I become two? Today we are into a kind of little gym, little gym. As you can see my dumbbell in my front. Anytime you see my dumbbell in my front like this, that means I'm ready to, ready to gym. Ready or not, here I come. Ready or not, here I come. Don't let my goal disappear. Let me pin my goal so that you guys can see my goal, and that's our goal. We pin our goal to the page. Aha! Let's go and pin our product. This dumbbell, we have to pin it. Hey, welcome everybody. Welcome, my friend. Today is Sunday in Japan, huh? Come, let's pin our own product, my friend. Let's pin our product.
Success on my side, we riding high, lifestyle emblematic. We living high, I've been in the super life, fly on the run, champagne pop all night, 50 all day, ready for the war, flexing every move, always wanting more.
Don't forget, this is our dumbbell, this dumbbell. It's our 4WD convertible dumbbell. We have shown you different ways to use it. This one. It's not easy. It's not easy, my friend. Hey, to carry this type of things. Only this dumbbell will never make you tired. Only this dumbbell will give you the kind of body you want. Lovely, good body. Good looking body, my friend. Hey, one of my video gone very viral. Woo! One of my video gone very viral with this dumbbell. Over 10,000 views. The day I made that video, I never liked that video. I wanted to delete and throw it away, but something told me, oh, leave it. It's your job. Don't make it a waste. I was shocked. All the video I've ever made, only that video gone more than 10,000 views and made like 10 sales of this. 4WD dumbbell convertible. This is what I always tell you guys right here. You might be doing something. That one you are doing that you don't like, it might be the best. This week, me, I was sick. Not this week again. Last week. Last week I was sick. But I was so happy. I was so happy that sickness came on midweek, like on Thursday. So I was so happy. After working Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, that sickness came Thursday. I was so happy. That's what I said in one of my videos. I said, look, if I'm gonna be sick, I don't like sickness that comes Sunday night, because it will affect my job on Monday. If I'm gonna be sick, it's better I sick on Friday. But that sickness came midweek, and I was so happy about it. No problem. But still, even sick or no sick, we continue to gym. Our own name is Fitness Guy. Who? Fitness Guy talking about 4WD dumbbell. I don't know if this video self will go viral. This type of video, this type of videos. This type of video is the one that always go viral. Don't overlook it.